Okay, so I'm planting an edible garden finally. I've wanted to do this for so long, but just didn't have the space when I was in the tri-state area. So, yeah, I went out and bought some plants on a whim yesterday. And now I got to figure out how to repot them and get them to grow. So I already got some lettuce that's ready to be harvested. Super excited about that. With all the recalls and things that go on, growing my own lettuce has been kind of a priority. Please excuse, I got like some swelling over here and I don't know why. But anyway, so right now I'm kind of getting organized, of course, so I can go shopping for the things I need. I do have some smaller pots, but apparently these plants need a lot more space than I thought they might need to grow. And I only got like one plant, I guess, like whatever the pot, whatever, however many plants you get in the little individual containers from your big box hardware store. That's what I got. Didn't realize I need so much more space. So that's what we're planning now. So I'm making a shopping trip to go to an actual plant store. So for that, I got these plants for Lowe's. I'm just gonna take the receipt, look at the varieties I got, and then look up the container size I need for them. So, and I'm doing this in my trusty uppity notebook. So let's see what I got. I got romaine lettuce. I think I got 2 lavender plants. Yeah, I got 2 lavender plants. I'm probably going to be adding to that. I will definitely be adding to that actually. So I really want a lot of fragrant plants, essential oil type plants, because they ward off insects and they smell good. I got a straight neck squash. And I guess I could flip the camera for this. Why don't we do that as long as there's no credit card info? All right, so, yeah. I'm gonna flip this so you can see me make my list. Okay, so these are the plants I have. Now I just have to look up the container sizes I need for each. Okay, so this is just a quick list of the plants I have, the depth each container needs to be, and the size. I know some of it is in gallons and some of it is in inches. I'm new to growing my own plants, so I just wrote whatever I could find off the internet after comparing a couple different sources, and I'll figure it out when I get to the plant store. You may want to do a spreadsheet or a chart. I'm moving pretty quickly, so I'm just gonna do this. Chewing. What are you chewing? So I got more plants. This is beets, lemon thyme. I think this is a jalapeno pepper. I don't even remember, and it's not labeled specifically. I'll look at the receipt. Aloe vera. Yo, what are you doing? And I've got some more that I'll be bringing out in a second.